What's going on, guys? It's Hani with the Beach Life, and we are getting ready to do a cabin tour. We're on deck 7, room 7204. I'm on this cruise with 60 plus friends from the YouTube cruising community. I'm sharing this room with my buddy Mark McClure from the Cruise World. Go check his channel out if you haven't already. So our cabin keys are in here, so we're getting ready to. I'm getting ready to go in. Actually, our bags are here. What time is it right now? It is, let me double check, sorry guys. It is 1:27, so bags are already here. Cabin's ready. We dropped our stuff off earlier because we're both platinum and they allow you to drop your stuff off but leave. But give me just a second, let me get my key out and then we'll go inside and check it out. Okay, got the key, and it's just one of these ones where you do one of these numbers and open up the door. It looks like the slot here. I'm gonna go ahead and put my key card in. You can fit any type of card in there that will fit in that slot, credit card, key card, etc. This will allow me to have the lights and electrical outlets working. This is, I want to say it's a 4J interior, which is interesting because we're right here. We have that what they usually refer to as the secret decks or whatever out in the front of the ships. I'll do a separate video on secret decks. I've done one on the panorama before, but we had this was surprising. I didn't realize it had a window, which is awesome. So we'll take it because it was supposed to be an interior room. So I'll have to look into that a little bit more. But hey, I'm not complaining for sure. So we got the 2 twin beds set up. If you're a couple, obviously you can have it together as a king bed. When we came in, it was set up as a king, and then you know, due to our request, they switched it to 2 twins. So you'll kind of see the layout here. Got the little nightstand in between with the lamp, the light switch up here in the middle that will turn off the main lights and turn them back on. Got a little switch on your lamp here if you want to utilize that, and then of course a little nightstand in between there. And let's go around here. There's our little mini fridge cooler over here. Pretty decent size there, just, you know, for waters and soda cans, that type of thing. And you can close it out. There's venting on this, which is nice. Some of the older ones, they didn't have the venting, so you could see the venting here. So people would have to put stuff here to keep this open so it stay so the thing would have enough venting to stay cool. Some shelving over here, your towels, then a little bit of space right above here to lay stuff down, put stuff there. Some waters, if you choose to purchase them, they're $3.95. My understanding is you can also take those as your for reds, golds, etc., where you get the 1 free bottle. You can use those, but just let your room steward know, so they'll know that that was your 1 free bottle and not charge you for it. But just make sure you check your bill. I've heard people complain. Anyway, they 2 USB ports. Then you got your 2 regular outlets, and then your European port. Oh, that's the light for the mirror there. What's going on? Right, gotta say what's going on. Here's a nightstand for the other twin bed. So whatever the sleeping situation. I think my buddy Mark will sleep here just because it's closer to the outlets, so he can plug in his devices and stuff that he needs. They're still leaving masks in the room for those that choose to use a mask. You definitely can. Got some paperwork up here with some QR codes of different things, so I'll let you kind of scan over. You got your safety, stay connected, stateroom cleaning, etc. And then your room service menu, so no more hangers on the doors, so you use the QR code to do your ordering. Ooh, 1 closet, interesting. Okay, well, hey, we'll make it work. so yeah, so you got the like full length closet. And then this area here, you can see some of our stuff is already there. Some shelving and drawers. Ooh. So, oh gosh. So anyway, and then my buddy Mark's stuff is already there. Yeah, that's crazy. Wow, only the 1. And then over here is the light switch to the bathroom. Oop, I just turned it off. Okay, and we'll go inside. Oh, real quick, here is the controls. Looks like it says, now it's as low as it goes. Snooze sign, should you choose to utilize that. And then we go inside to the restroom. shower area here, and then the little clothesline. And if you want to use it, that goes and hooks across over there. One thing that I haven't mentioned in my past videos, somebody pointed out, and I thought, yeah, that's great, I should remember to do that, because I know I've utilized it. But you can move this up and down if you need to, so depending on how tall or short you are. So you can move that up and down. It's going to be hard for me to do it with one hand, but anyway, you can move that up and down. I don't want to drop the camera. And then turning your water on and off, and then checking the heat levels, or putting the heat level the way you want it. The soap dish area, and of course shower gel and shampoo. They do not provide you with conditioner, so make sure you bring your own if you want to use it. Got your towels. On this ship, they've got the 3 trays. I know most of you have seen my Carnival Radiance where we have the 2. On this ship, they've got the 3 on each side. A couple glasses here if you need them to rinse your mouth, that kind of thing. The mirror here, and then the mirror here. They provide you with the 1 soap over here, and of course the toilet. So that's pretty much it for the restroom. I just want to check one thing, close that door behind me. So here's the TV over here, pretty good size, actually in a really good location for both people if they choose to watch. So I know I've shown in my other cabin tours, but this one is pretty flush up against the wall. So I've kind of shown a little hack where there's an outlet behind it that you could use if you really wanted to have an extra outlet, but not on this one. So you don't want to be ripping that TV off the wall. So all in all, pretty nice cabin. I mean, it's got good space in it, and I love the fact that we have the window there. That was kind of unexpected, which is cool, and a great view, honestly. I'm kind of bummed out, so just kind of be aware. I'm just trying to share information here, right? That's what I do. I'm kind of bummed out of this situation when you're sharing. It doesn't matter if it's a friend or a significant other or whatever. To me, this doesn't seem, for a ship that does longer sailings, right? This doesn't seem like a lot of space for 2 people. I know some people probably try to, comment, oh, well, you don't need to pack that much. Well, everybody packs differently and wants to bring different things. But anyway, I just felt like I just want to show this one more time as I'm saying this, is that I just feel like, yeah, just not a lot of room for 2 people. I just was expecting, yeah, more hanging space, I should say. So anyway, like I said, well, and even here, so again, if I'm just sharing this so people know when they're booking these things, right? I'm not trying to be negative. It's about sharing information, but typically, I put my bag down, but so you got your little drawers here, but I mean, no extra, and that doesn't even open. So you got just this, which is not much space there. Because typically in these cabins, you guys have probably seen other cabin tours than mine. There's usually a ton of storage. I gotta say, my one and only negative is not a lot of storage. You got the 2 little nightstands, one drawer, and that closet space over there, and then of course, well, the fridge there, but those shelves. So not a lot. So just be aware, if you're bringing a lot of stuff, 2 people sharing this room. There's no couch, which I didn't expect to, so that's fine. There's nothing up on the, so it's really made for 1 or 2 people. Just to be aware of it, so you can make another decision if you want that extra closet space and storage space. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching. If you're enjoying this content and want more content like it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, and it definitely helps me grow. So thank you, and have a good day.